वेलकम टू ग्यास क्लासेस फॉर मैथमेटिक्स। आज हम लोग क्लास 11th लिमिट के क्वेश्चन करेंगे, बिल्कुल बेसिक से हाई लेवल। सो लिमिट ऑफ क्लास 11th पार्ट 1। चलो देखते हैं क्लास 11th लिमिट पार्ट 1। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट? फाइंड द लिमिट ऑफ। सो आंसर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, फर्स्ट पार्ट। सो हियर क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट? लिमिट x tends to 1 and x cube minus x square plus 1. So this is the type number 1 question. Find the limit of limit x tends to 1 x cube minus x square plus 1. So what is the actual meaning of limit? That is x tends to 1. So x is very near to 1 but not exactly equal to 1. But when we solve the question, we put the value of x equal to 1 and check if there is a 0 by 0 form. Then, but here this is the polynomial equation. So just put x equal to 1 and get your answer. So limit x tends to 1, x cube minus x square plus 1. So just put the value of x equal to 1. So correct answer is what? X cube, that is 1 cube, minus x square, that is 1 square, plus 1. So we get 1 cube, 1 minus 1 plus 1. So what is the right answer? 1 is the correct answer. So this is the question. Limit x tends to 1 x cube minus square plus 1. For this type of question, only put x equal to what is given. So here x tends to 1, so put x equal to 1. In the same way, there is a second question. So what is second question? Limit x tends to 1 and here x into x plus 1. So again here x tends to 1. So just put the value x equal to 1. So if we put the value in x equal to 1, we get a 1 into 1 plus 1, 2. So our correct answer is what? 2. In the same way, there is a third question. So this is third question. Limit x tends to minus 1 and here 1 plus x square, and this is that is up to what? That is x to the power 10. So again here x tends to minus 1. So just put the value x equal to minus 1 in the given polynomial. So here what is the right answer? 1 plus minus 1 plus minus 1 square. In the same way here is what? That is minus 1 cube. This series go up to last, that is minus 1 to the power 10. So you know there is a minus 1 to the power 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 10. So there is a 5 terms and here 1. So this 5 terms, one negative, this is positive. Again this is negative, again power 4 positive. So this minus 1 to the power 1 to minus 1 to the power 10. 1 positive and 5 terms positive, that is 5. And 5 terms negative, that is minus 5. So 5 minus 5 will be what? 0. So our answer will be 1 plus 5 minus 5. That is 1 is the correct answer. So in the type number 1 question, we see that in every 3 question, we have just putting the value of x tends to 1. So put x equal to 1. Here x tends to minus 1. So just put x equal to minus 1. Now see the type number 2 question. So this is type number 2 question again. Find the type 2 question is what? Find the limit of x tends to 1 x square plus 1 divided by x plus 100. So here limit x tends to 1 x square plus 1 divided by x plus 100. So here number is given in a fraction. Limit x tends to 1 x square plus 1 x plus 100. So again put the value of x tends to 1 given, so x equal to 1 and just find it कि if it is 0 by 0 form or not. If it is not 0 by 0 form, then our answer will be correct. If there is a 0 by 0 form, then make a factor and cancel out the common factor. So just to check here, x to the power 1. So if we put x equal to 1 here, then we get 1 square plus 1. And here 1 plus 100. So my answer is what? 1 plus 1 divided by 101. So 2 upon 101 is the correct answer. In the same way, there is a second question. Here limit x tends to 2. And here x cube minus 4x square plus 4x and divided by x square minus 4. So when we put x equal to 4 in denominator, then you know 2 square 4 minus 4 will be 0. Now you check for numerator. If we put x equal to 2 in the numerator, 2 to the power 3 will be 8 minus 4 into 2 square. So 2 square is 4, 4 is 16, that is 8 minus 16. And here 8. So this is 8 minus 16 plus 8. So 8 plus 8, 16 minus 16, 0. So this is the 0 by 0 form. So we cannot put the direct x equal to 2. We have to first make factor and cancel the common factor. So check it. Limit x tends to 2. So when we take x common here, so x is common, we get x square minus 4x plus 4. X square minus 4x plus 4 and divided by x square minus 4. So we can write this a square minus b square. So x square minus 2a square, right? Again you will see limit x tends to 2. So x is same here. Now we can x square minus 4x plus 4. So what we can write? This is x minus 2 whole square. Because you know a minus b. X minus 2 whole square is what? X square minus 4x plus 4. So this is x minus 2 whole square. So we can write x minus 2 into x minus 2. And in denominator a square minus b square, you know a plus b into a minus b. So this is what? X plus 2 into x minus 2. So this x minus 2 and x minus 2 is cancelled out. So now put the value x tends to 2. So put the value x equal to 2. So when we put x equal to 2, this x is 2 and in bracket 2 minus 2. And what is this? Is 2 plus 2. So this is 2 minus 2, 0, 0 into 2, 0. So 0 by 4 equal to what? 0. So this is correct answer. So type number 2 question, we see that these are in a fraction. So put the value of given a tens, that is x tends to 1. Put the value and find if it is not 0 by 0 form, then it is okay. If the form is 0 by 0, then go for factor and cancel the common factor and then again put the value what is given. Then you will get the correct answer. So in the part 1, 2 टाइप के क्वेश्चन हमने किए. इसके बाद नेक्स्ट पार्ट में, पार्ट नंबर 2 में इसके आगे नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन करेंगे. थैंक यू.